Our previous video reviewed how S/4HANA Cloud Extended Edition will redefine your financial operations while saving you time and money. Let's take a look now and see how it can also optimize your manufacturing operations. Effective manufacturing and distribution both require a tremendous amount of data that prevented real-time planning in the past. The high-speed HANA database with in-memory storage is specifically designed to work real-time with high data volumes. So, material requirements planning is now a dynamic part of your business, able to ebb and flow with fluctuating demand using SAP's demand-driven MRP. Alternately, S/4HANA Cloud EX employs predictive, intelligent MRP to help you forecast demand and assign resources using historical demand and patterns. And real-time inventory visibility lets you control costs by giving you an up-to-the-minute and crystal-clear view of your inventory across all of your operations. From the receipt of goods through manufacturing all the way to the customer, real-time quality insights give you a comprehensive view of potential supply chain issues via intuitive, user-friendly dashboards. And the built-in analysis tools identify areas of need so you can better serve your customer more quickly. S/4HANA Cloud EX Artificial Intelligence is extended to plant maintenance as well, including the ability to take a picture of sub-performing equipment, automatically identifying what part to order, and even assisting with creating that order, reducing downtime, and ultimately saving your business time and money.